Hello Foodie friends! Today we are taking a look at Rephr's Holiday brush for 2023. It is a very exciting release as it is a Saibikoho goat and Maki handled cheek brush. This brush was kindly gifted to me. A huge thank you to the Rephr team for sharing the brush with me to try. It is launching October 17th. Price details are to be confirmed, but I think it will retail for $188 with a steep discount at launch for around $88 to celebrate Rephr's 4-year anniversary. Rephr wanted to create something special by using the finest materials and at a more accessible price point. This brush is remarkable and the discounted price is also remarkable. I expect it will sell out and it is a limited edition brush. If you are interested, I would encourage you to follow the release date details and to sign up for early access, which I will link below. Let's unbox the brush together. I have already opened it, but I wanted to open it together to try to share with you this experience and what you can expect, because it truly is about experiencing the brush. My words cannot do it justice. The packaging is elegant and thoughtful. It comes in a wooden box with an elastic ribbon to keep the box securely closed. It has the Kumano Fude sticker and a Rephr logo on the bottom. As you open it, there is more tissue paper inside. These little details make this release feel even more special. Here is the Holiday cheek brush. The hair type is Saibikoho goat, which is the highest grade of goat hair available. Saibikoho is extremely rare, released in limited quantities, and very expensive. Rephr informed me that the starting price for a Saibikoho cheek brush is usually around $250 and goes up to $500 or more. Up close, you can see the hair tips. They are delicate and fine. They also have this shininess and glistening to the hair tips. This hair is noticeably softer than other goat brushes. Even if you have very sensitive skin, I think you will enjoy the softness of this brush. It is a classic paddle cheek brush with slight tapering at the top. The bundling is precise, and the hair length is around 40 millimeters long. The handle is also special. It has a Maki lacquer wear, which is a traditional Japanese technique dating back more than 1,200 years. It has a small cherry blossom design and a dainty brown and gold tree branch over a matte black handle. The flowers of the design are bright, but the brown and gold branch are a bit faint. I don't think it's an imperfection. I think it was intentionally made to be dainty. I'm mentioning this just because I don't want you to be surprised by how little the branch is. If you are a Rephr brush user, you will adore this brush. I love how it combines the Rephr minimalist branding with traditional brush elements, such as with the dainty Maki design, the matte black handle, the Rephr embossing on the back, and also the Japan embossing on the side. The attention to detail really makes this brush feel special. It's truly a beautifully designed and executed brush. Here are my final thoughts. Saibikoho goat brushes are far in between and very expensive. If you can get this brush, I think you will be thrilled with it. This is a standout Rephr brush. I would say a must-have and the best one yet. It is really impressive and I recommend it to all food enthusiasts, collectors, and everyday users. The only downside I can think of is that it is so pretty you may not want to use it. Thank you again to Rephr and to all of you for watching.